Good morning, students. Now we can see the auxins. First type of plant hormone is called as auxin. Auxin means to grow. Auxin means to grow. It is the first plant hormone discovered. It is the most important one more question. Which one is the first hormone discovered? Plant hormone is called as auxin. The term auxin was introduced by Kogel-Gagan. The term auxin was introduced by Kogel-Gagan Smith in 1931. Auxin are produced only in the tip of the stems and the roots. Auxin is produced when the tip of the root and the tip of the stems. From they are migrate to the zone of elongation. In which place elongation needed, then auxin goes to that place. That is called as auxin elongation, zone of elongation. Next, Charles Darwin observed unilateral growth of curvature of canary grass, that is plant botanical name is Pelaris canarius. Pelaris canariensis. Pelaris canariensis. That is the plant name. In coleoptiles, coleoptile means a small first leaf is called as coleoptile. Charles Darwin observed in canary grass plant in coleoptiles unilateral growth of curvature observed in canary grass. He came to the conclusion some of the influence was transmitted from the tip of the coleoptile. He observed the auxin hormone but did not say auxin hormone. He concluded when the influence was transmitted from the tip of the coleoptile in the basal region. This was used for plant growth, that is called as auxin. The influence was later identified by auxin by Wendt. Auxin identified by Wendt. It is one more question. Auxin means to grow. It is the first identified plant hormone. The term auxin was introduced by Kogel-Gagan Smith in 1931. Auxin produced only in the tip of the stem and the tip of the roots, and where they are migrate to zone of elongation. If they need, it can grow zone of elongation. Charles Darwin researched in canary grass plant of the coleoptiles, observed the unilateral growth of curvature. He concluded the some of the influence is transmitted from the tip of the coleoptile in the basal region. Laterly, the influence was identified auxin by Wendt. Next, Wendt had an experiment that is called as Wendt experiment. Fritz Walmort Wendt. Fritz Walmort Wendt, even the full name. A Dutch biologist. Dutch means Norway. Norway biologist demonstrated the effect of auxin in plants. He did a serious experiment in Avena coleoptiles. That is plant name is Avena coleoptile. His first experiment is remove the tip of the Avena coleoptile. That is the experiment. First he cut and remove that is a seed. This is germinating plant. That is roots. That is stems. First one is he cut the coleoptile. Coleoptile means tip of the stem is called as coleoptile. First he cut the tip of the coleoptile. First experiment, he removed the tip of the Avena coleoptiles. He cut the tips. He did not grow, indicating the tips produced in something essential for the growth. First he cut the Avena coleoptiles tips, but he does not grow. He concluded some of the influence needed for the growth of stems. His second experiment, he placed the agar blocks into the depacheated in coleoptiles that cut the stem tip is detached into the agar blocks, that is a nutritive solution of plants. The coleoptiles did not show any response. The coleoptiles, first he cut the tip of the stems and he placed in the agar block. The coleoptiles did not show any variation. Next, this coleoptile placed on the cut region, it can automatically grow up. So he concluded some of the hormone present in the tip, he influenced the growth of stems, that is called as auxin. The coleoptile tips did not show any response. In his next experiment, he placed the detached coleoptile tips in the agar blocks. After an hour, he discarded tips and placed the agar blocks is decayed on the coleoptile. It grows straight up. That is important. But it grow straight up and indicating this some chemical had diffused from the cut coleoptile tips into the agar blocks, which is stated for the growth. He placed in the agar blocks and then cut piece is placed on the original place. The chemicals are diffused from this area and automatically grow up. From the experiments, Wendt concluded the chemical diffusing from the tip of the coleoptiles was responsible for growth. That is called as auxin. Auxin means to grow. Once more reply. Wendt conducted the experiment in Avena coleoptiles. His first experiment, he removed the tip of the Avena coleoptiles. First he cut the tip of the Avena coleoptiles. Then the cut tips did not grow, indicating that its tips produced something essential for this growth. In his second experiment, he placed the agar blocks on the dispatched coleoptile tips. First he cut the tip of the coleoptile plants and then placed into the agar blocks. They did not show any growth mechanism. The coleoptile did not show any response. He next experiment, he placed on the detached coleoptile tips on the agar blocks. After an hour, the distorted tips placed on the agar blocks on the deposited coleoptile, it can grow straight up. This indicated that some of the chemical had diffused from the cut tips into the agar blocks, which is stimulated by growth. From this experiment, Wendt concluded the chemical diffusing from the tip of the coleoptiles was responsible for the growth. That is called as auxin. Next, types of auxins. There are two types of auxin present. First one is called as natural auxins. Another one is called as synthetic auxin. Auxin produced by the plants are naturally called as natural auxin. Example of natural auxin is IAA, indole 3 acetic acid. It is the important one mark question. Natural auxins also 2 mark question. Auxin produced are naturally in the plants is called as natural auxins. Example, indole 3 acetic acid. Synthetic auxins. Artificially synthesized auxin is called as synthetic auxins. Artificially synthesized have properties like auxin is called as synthetic auxin. Example, 2,4-D, 2,4-dichlorophenoxyacetic acid. Dichlorophenoxyacetic acid. It is a synthetic auxin. Once more reply. Types of auxins. There are two types of auxins. One is natural auxin, another one is synthetic auxin. Auxin produced naturally is called as natural auxin. Example, indole acetic acid. Synthetic auxin, artificially synthesized products that have properties of auxin called as synthetic auxin. Example, 2,4-D, 2,4-dichlorophenoxyacetic acid. Next, physiological effect of auxins. Auxin bring about the variety of physical effects. They are different parts of the body. They are follow. Auxin promote the elongation of stems and coleoptiles, which make them grow. Auxin only present in the tip of the stem. It can grow up. It promote the elongation of stems. It promote the elongation of stems that produce coleoptile, which make them plant automatically grow. The second point is auxin induce the root formation in low concentration. Auxin produced in low concentration and produce root formation. In high concentration, it should be inhibit the root formation. Auxin present in low concentration, it can induce new root formation. Auxin present in higher concentration, it should be inhibit the root formation. Next one is auxin is produced by apical buds and suppress growth lateral buds. It is called as apical dominance. Auxin is produced by apical buds only. It can suppress the lateral buds. That is called as apical dominant. Seedless fruits without fertilization are induced by external application of auxins. That is called as parthenocarpic fruit. Example, watermelon, seedless grapes, seedless lime, etc. Next, auxin prevent the formation of abscission layer. Abscission means to aged leaves is called as abscission layer. Once more reply. Auxin promote the elongation of stems and coleoptile, which makes plant grow. It is a 5-mark question. Physiological effect of auxin. Next, second point is auxin present in low concentration. It should be induce the root formation. It should be in higher concentration. It should be inhibit the root formation. Auxin is produced by apical buds only. It can suppress the growth of lateral buds. That is called as apical dominance. It is 2-mark question. Seedless fruits are produced by auxins. That is called as without fertilization fruits. Another is called as parthenocarpic fruits. Example, watermelon, grapes, seedless limes. Auxin prevent the formation of abscission layer. Next, do you know what? Phenyl acetic acid PAA and indole 3 acetonitrile. These are natural auxins. Indole 3 butyric acid, indole 3 propionic acid, alpha naphthalene acetic acid, 2,4,5T 2,4,5 trichlorophenoxy acetic acid is the sum of the synthetic auxin examples. Phenyl acetic acid, indole 3 acetonitrile, and these are the natural auxins. Indole 3 butyric acid, indole 3 propionic acid, alpha naphthalene acetic acid, 2,4,5 trichlorophenoxy acetic acid. These are the examples of synthetic auxins. Next hormone is cytokinin. Cyto means cell, kinins means division. So it is cytokinins means to increase the cell division hormone is called as cytokinin. The plant hormones promote the cell division or cytokinins in plant cells. It is the first isolated from herring fish sperm. This hormone first identified from herring fish sperms. Zeatin was the cytokinin isolated from the giamase. Zeatin is here cytokinin isolated from giamase. Cytokinin is found abundantly in the fluid endosperm of coconut. Once more reply. Cytokinin means cell division. These hormone promote the cell division. It was first isolated from herring fish sperms. 1 more question. Zeatin is a cytokinin isolated from giamase. It is the 1 more question. Cytokinin most abundantly found in endosperm of coconut. Next, physiological effect of cytokinin. Cytokinin induces cell division. Presence of auxin. Cytokinins also increase the cell division. Cytokinin also is cell enlargement. Also it causes cell enlargement. Both auxin and cytokinin essential for the formation of new organs is called as morphogenesis. The new organ is produced process is called as morphogenesis that needed auxins and cytokinins. Cytokinin promote the growth of lateral buds, even the presence of apical buds. Cytokinin promotes the lateral buds. It promotes the lateral buds. Application of cytokinin delays the process of aging in plant. That is called as Richmond-Long effect. It is a 2-mark question. What is Richmond-Long effect? The application of cytokinin delay the process of aging in plants. That is called as Richmond-Long effect. Once more reply. Physiological effect of cytokinin. Cytokinin induces cell division. Cytokinin also cause the cell enlargement. Both auxin and cytokinin essential for the new organ formation, that is called as morphogenesis. Cytokinin promotes the growth of lateral buds. Application of cytokinin delays the process of aging, that is called as Richmond-Long effect. Next hormone, gibberellin. Next hormone is gibberellin. Gibberellin is the most abundantly found in plant hormones. It is one more question. Most abundantly found in plant hormone is gibberellin. Kurosawa observed the Buckley disease and fooling seeding disease in rice crops. It is a scientist name. He observed the two diseases in Buckley disease and foolish disease in rice crops. This is due to internodal elongation of rice is caused by fungus that is called as Gibberella fusigori. The internodal elongation, that is the internode elongation. The internode elongation of the rice crop was caused by the fungus that is called as Gibberella fusigori. The active substance identifies gibberellic acid, that is called as gibberellic acid. Gibberellic acid is produced by Gibberella fusigori fungus. Physiological effect of gibberellins. Application of gibberellins plants stimulates the extraordinary elongation of internode. That is the important point. Example, corn plant and pea plant. The application of gibberellin leads to the extra elongation of internode. That is called as extra elongation of internode. That is extra elongation of internodes. Treatment with the Rossetti plant, that is called as Rossetti plant. The plant is Rossetti plant. With the gibberellin induces sudden shoot elongation followed by flowering. That is called as bolting. It is two more question. What is bolting? Bolting means application of gibberellin in plants induce sudden change of internodes and giving flowers. That is called as bolting. Once more reply. Physiological effect of gibberellin. The application of gibberellin is plant stimulates the extraordinary elongation of internode. Examples, corn plant, pea plants. In Rossetti plants, the application of gibberellin suddenly induces the internode elongation and give flowering. That is called as bolting. Next, third point. Gibberellin promote the production of male flowers. That is called as monoecious plants. Monoecious plants, the plant that are male or female, any one is called as, example, Cucurbidae. Gibberellin promotes the production of male flowers. Gibberellin break the dormancy of potato tubers. Potato tubers dormancy is broken by gibberellins. Gibberellin are efficient than the auxins, inducing formation of seedless fruits, that is called as parthenocarpic fruits. Development of fruits without fertilization is called as parthenocarpic fruits. Example, tomato. Once more reply. Gibberellin promotes the production of male flowers, that is called as monoecious plants. The plant that is male or otherwise female is called as monoecious plant. Gibberellin break the dormancy of potato tubers. Potato tubers dormancy is broken by gibberellins. Gibberellins are efficient than the auxins, inducing parthenocarpic fruits. What is parthenocarpic fruits? Development of fruits without act of fertilization is called as parthenocarpic fruits. Example, tomato plant. Next, abscisic acid. Abscisic acid is a growth inhibitor. It regulates the absorption in the dormancy. It is a growth inhibitor hormone. It increases the tolerance in plants various glands, so it is called as stress hormone. It gives the support to stress time is called as stress hormone. Physiological effect of abscisic acid. Abscisic acid promotes the process of abscission, that is called aging of plants is called as separation of leaves, flowers, fruits is called as abscission. During water stress drought condition, it causes stomatoclosure. Stomatoclosure, the evaporation does not needed, that is called as stomatoclosure. Abscisic acid, it is a growth inhibitor hormone. It gives support to the stress condition, and it is called as stress hormone. Abscisic acid promotes the abscission layer of separation of leaves, flowers and fruits. During stress condition, it causes stomatoclosure. Abscisic acid promotes the cessation of leaves and causing loss of chlorophyll. Cessation means aging. Abscisic acid induces the bud of dormancy towards the approach of winter and trees and birch trees. Birch trees in winter season, it approaches the growths. It is a powerful inhibitor for lateral buds growth in tomato. Example is tomato. Abscisic acid promotes the age of leaves in causing loss of chlorophyll. Abscisic acid induces the bud dormancy into the bridge tree. Abscisic acid is a powerful inhibitor of the lateral bud of the growth of tomato. Okay, thank you students. Let us meet next topic.